Did you know that 91% of the people fail to accomplish their New Year goals? Over 70% out of those would give up by the end of January. In this 3-minute video, I'm going to talk to you about the things that the 9% who actually do succeed are doing differently. Hi, my name is Anurag Rai. I'm founder of Superhuman in You, an organization committed to help you become your awesomer self. I'm also a best-selling author, award-winning coach, master NLP practitioner, and a psychologist. Over the years, I've helped several business owners and professionals to create the life that they desire by changing their game. And in the process, I've developed a framework that would allow you to do the same. This framework is made up of 4 building blocks that are supported by 3 elements. The first block is vision. It's about being very clear of where you want to go, what kind of life do you want to create. For example, if you wanted to get from where you are to London, the first thing that you need to know that you are going to London. Once you're clear that you want to get to London, no matter how many roadworks are in the way, no matter how many times your car breaks down, at the end you will get to London. So be very clear about what kind of life are you creating, and then write it on a paper or a notepad and keep it somewhere where you can see it every day. The next block is strategy. Most people don't have a motivation problem, they have a confusion problem. That is, they don't have a step-by-step game plan that will take them closer to their goals. Imagine what your life would look like if every morning when you woke up, you knew exactly the action steps that you need to take on that day that will push you forward and help you create the life that you desire. You knew exactly the important and not just the urgent things that you need to do on that day that will help you move forward. Remember, you don't need a perfect plan, but you do need a clear written down plan. Most people have some form of vision and strategy in place for their goals. What they lack is the remaining 2 blocks and supporting elements. The next block is mindset. I see a lot of people driving around with their handbrakes on, and then they wonder why they feel stuck or why their progress is so slow. Identify things that may be holding you back or preventing you to perform at your best. These could be stress, anxiety, worry, fear, overwhelm, or any other limiting beliefs. Identify them and get rid of them. Ask for help if you need support. Sometimes you have to slow down in order to move fast. The 4th block is skill set. Most people try to copy-paste the strategies they learn from a guru, a book, or a course. The problem with that approach is that it doesn't work. For example, if you wanted to hunt like a tiger, you don't just need the strategy he uses, you also need his strength and his fearless mindset. Strategy without skills is like coffee without caffeine. It might look the same, it might feel the same, but it won't have the same impact. So identify what kind of person do you need to be who would have the kind of life that you want to create. What skills do you need to develop? Do you need to be more focused person? Do you need to be more calm person? Do you need more leadership skills, or do you need better sales skills? Identify what those skills are and then create a plan to develop them. Apart from these 4 blocks, you must also take care of these 3 elements to guarantee your success. These elements will make sure that you stay focused without the distraction, without the burnout, and without procrastination. The first one is energy. No matter how clear your vision is, how good your strategy is, how strong your mindset is, and how skilled you are, if you don't have the energy to take the action steps, you will get nowhere. So apart from eating, thinking, and sleeping well, you should also do an energy audit regularly. On a piece of paper, draw a line in the center, and on one side write down all the things that drain you of energy, and on the other side write down all the things that fill you with energy. And then one by one get rid of the things that drain you of energy and do more of the things that fill you with energy. The second element is environment. Your environment will always overpower your will. So what kind of people are you allowing into your life? You need more people in your life who can support you, who believe in you, who inspire you, who can lift you up when you're feeling down, and who can push you when you lack motivation. These could be your friends, family, or a coach like me. One of the most beneficial things that my clients report about working with me is that I interrupt their environment in every meeting. No matter what state they walk into the session, they walk out feeling calmer, more in control, more present, more motivated, and with higher self-belief. The third and most important element is accountability. I know a lot of people who are masters at procrastination, but still somehow manage to finish their assignments at university or work on time. Why? Because somebody was holding them accountable. So break your goals down into targets and milestones, and then set deadlines for achieving these milestones. Share these deadlines with a friend or a coach and ask them to hold you accountable. If you found this framework useful, or even if you're just intrigued by it, I have an invitation for you. I've created a workshop and mastermind program that is based around this framework. In the workshop, we'll work together to create a game plan for you to have the best year of your life. We'll work together to create a game plan for you to become the game changer. Click on the link below to find out more. I'll look forward to seeing you there.